I'm Madhusri and I'm back with all of you guys and you are watching Madhusri's Creation. So in today's video I'm gonna talk to you guys about some important topic, which is how you can increase your oxygen level at your home with the help of some yoga. And since the lockdown started, I am doing these yogas each and every day, and we all should do that because we all need to protect ourselves, we all need to boost our energy and immunity, and we all need to increase our oxygen level to kind of protect ourselves from the corona situation. So if you are interested and if you want to know how I do that, and all these tricks and tips are approved by doctors, so don't worry about it. You guys, if you guys want to follow me, you can, because trust me, I am not going to show anything which is not effective and which can harm you. I'm not doing that. So I am going to tell you guys about each and every yoga that I do personally, and I'm gonna tell you guys the benefits of those yogas so that you can properly understand the scientific reasons also behind these yogas. So these are very simple yogas and these are very effective also. So, and also please ignore that noise because my mom is watching some serials and my sister is shouting. So yeah, now without doing any further ado, let's get started.
This is called proning. Lie down on your stomach and keep pillows like this, how I am doing it right now. And don't press your stomach, don't keep any pillow below your stomach, otherwise your diaphragm will not move. And normally take breath comfortably, lie down and take rest for around 1 to 2 hours. This will help to absorb oxygen to your body properly and also increase blood circulation to the lungs. This is one part of proning, and you can take rest like this, and please use clean and clear washed pillow covers, otherwise you will end up having a lot of pimples on your face like this. Do it every day to increase your blood circulation and increase the oxygen level of your body. Yeah. The second part is after belly down position, one should lie down by sides like this. Let your head take rest on your hand exactly like this and take rest for 1 to 2 hours. And this should be done for both sides, and this also helps to keep alveoli unit open. Lie down comfortably and do breathe normally. Do equal breathing like this. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Make your breath equal. Do it regularly, at least 30 rounds per day. We have 3 sets of muscles: diaphragm, intercostal and clavicular. When we inhale and exhale fully like this, we are engaging all the 3 muscles properly. It helps to increase the oxygen level of our body properly. Make your breath equal with the help of the equal breathing practice. The next thing is do like this and inhale and push your chest upwards while inhaling. Exhale and relax your shoulders and your chest. It helps to improve your clavicular breathing. Next is intercostal muscle position. Keep your hands like this and breathe in and expand your ribs from the side, and breathe out and contract your ribs from the side. This will help to increase the capacity of your intercostal muscle, which will help to increase your oxygen level of your body. Now do this pranayam. Inhale slowly and exhale slowly. Inhale with one nostrils and exhale through another nostrils, which will help to increase your oxygen level of your body. Do it every day and slowly. Drink a lot of water every day, which will help you to flush out all your bad toxins of your body. And please, while drinking, think positive and think about your goals, which will give you energy and positive vibes throughout the day. So stay positive, stay at home and stay happy.
If you like this video, then please give it a big fat thumbs up and also comment down below what other videos you want me to do, and also please do subscribe to my channel. It motivates me a lot. So yeah, आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय. ध्यान रखना. Lots of love. Bye.